Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty, and we are talking candied sweet potatoes for our Thanksgiving feast. Sweet, salty, savory, delicious. You're gonna be eating this like little pieces of popcorn. I'm gonna show you how I make them my way. Now you can do this dish with or without the sausage. Either way, I love my sweet potatoes diced nice and small. And I'm gonna toss them in with a little bit of vegetable oil. Season them with some salt and pepper. I really prefer to know how much oil I'm using and coat each and every piece before I throw it down onto a preheated medium to low griddle with a little bit of butter. And at the same time, I'm cooking some savory sage sausage. I'm gonna crumble this up and remove all the excess liquid and oil that comes from that sausage, and then I'm gonna marry the sausage with the potatoes and create a nice big well in the center where I'm gonna add some butter, some brown sugar, mix everything together, let every nook and cranny of that sausage and every corner of the sweet potato get caramelized and candied and so delicious. You're gonna be picking at this like it's popcorn. Now, as long as you finish this dish with some good sea salt, some parsley, you can go crazy and add some candied walnuts, cranberries, craisins, goat cheese, anything you want. Keep building this up. It's going to be fabulous. You'll love it. For more recipes, be sure to visit BlackstoneProducts.com. I'm Blackstone Betty, and I'm going to see you in the next video.